This is coming as life on the Guadalupe River had just returned to normal for some after their homes were washed away from last year's floods. Well, now those who've been hit a second time are questioning whether it's worth it to rebuild again. Our JD Miles joining us live now from Kerrville after meeting a homeowner who now faces that nightmare. JD, folks out there I'm assuming, are just fatigued with it all.
Ken, imagine having your home flooded by the Guadalupe River last summer and being told it's a once in a 500-year flood. You rebuild with FEMA approval, and today of all days, your contractor is scheduled to come back over and put the last finishing touches on that rebuild. That's exactly what happened to Kara Doctor when a 4 a.m. knock at the door this morning changed everything. The Guadalupe River was raging just a few hundred yards from where Kara Doctor was sound asleep early this morning.
Went to sleep, went to bed last night, saw red and blue flashing lights this morning, told us the river's coming, we gotta get out, you gotta get out now.
Doctor's two-story home in Center Point near Kerrville flooded on July 4th last year. After more than a year of water remediation and other repairs, her fireplace was the only thing left to finish.
The only thing left was my fireplace to finish out. He was going to come up and finish that out. And so I texted him this morning and said, don't bother.
Kara returned from her brief evacuation to this. Now the sound of high-speed fans has returned, along with the mud and the misery.
When we came down, opened up the doors and saw that the water had gotten in about 2.5 feet inside.
Kara Doctor is experiencing the worst kind of deja vu.
I mean, I could sit here and cry, and I have for most of the day, but we gotta keep on, you know.
Doctor's parents and brother live in nearby homes on generations of family property that was once idyllic.
It's my dream house. It's supposed to be my forever home.
Brand new furniture and furnishings may not be salvageable. A new deck on the river has washed away, and Doctor is looking at another year away from home if she rebuilds. But rebuilding trust in the river is something she says she may never be able to do. Is it worth it to try to rebuild again?
Man, I don't know. It's traumatic, to say the least. No matter how beautiful it is on some of those calm days, I still will have this in the back of my head, sadly.
Now, Doctor says she's going to take some time before deciding what to do, but it's safe to say that the Guadalupe River is losing its luster to some people who adore its beauty and live along it. Live in Kerrville tonight, JD Miles, CBS News, Texas.
That's a hard reality for them. Our hearts break for everyone out there. JD, thank you very much.